Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, as you can see. Basically what this is an electric water kettle that you can use to boil your water or tea or whatever you guys want to. That's up to you guys. But this is by the brand called Ovente. And then some of the features that's on here, you guys can see on the picture itself, is the fact that you guys can actually pour the water onto the lid and it just drops down, and then you guys don't have to actually open up the lid if you guys don't want to. But you guys do have the option to open the lid if you guys do want to. Next feature that's on the product itself is the automatic shut off. It does have an automatic shut off where it actually turns off by itself once it reaches like a certain temperature and whatnot. And the capacity for the actual product itself is 1.7 liters. And one thing that's cool about this product is the fact that they actually have the option where you can buy it just like this, where it comes in this product like this. Or you guys have the option where you can actually buy the tea kettle that you can put on top of it. And the steam that comes out of here from the top of the lid will actually help boil the actual tea itself. I didn't get that option because I don't really need that option. If I want to make tea, I have other ways to make tea if I wanted to. But first thing first, let's actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like and what comes out of the package first. So first thing we see right here is a little paper that says stop. They say, we strongly recommend you cleaning your kettle before using the product itself. Next thing we have right here is a little instruction card to teach you guys how to use the product and how to actually maintain it and everything. And then next you guys can see that they have a little cover right here for the actual product itself. So let's remove that part first. Alright, so this is basically everything that's inside. So you can see that the electric kettle is here. They have the cable right there. So let's take everything out first. So right here we have the cable, so this is where to plug it onto the wall to power it up. What's really cool about this cable is the fact that if you guys look at the bottom, you guys can actually wrap the cable around here. So then that way your cables are organized and whatnot, which is pretty nice. And then the final thing that we have right here is the actual electric kettle itself. So you can see it has the measurement right here to show you guys how much you guys can fill up to. The maximum is 1.7 liters. They have the little logo right here, tells you guys that it's powered by this technology right here. It's a one button control to turn off and on the product, which is pretty nice and very simple. They have a little indicator light to let you guys know when the product is on or off. They don't really have a filter for the actual water itself, but this is what it looks like inside, if you guys can see. They have a little piece of paper right here to let you guys know that you guys can pour the water directly in here, because it has this part right here that goes down when you guys pour in the water, which is pretty nice. But if you guys don't want to use that option, you guys do have the option to remove the lid, like how I mentioned. So if you guys just pull this part open like this, then that's all you guys have to do, and just pour water in like that as well if you guys want to. But definitely cleaning the product is really easy once you guys remove the lid right here. Because you guys can actually put it in your hand like this if you guys want to kind of like clean in the inside of the product itself, which is pretty cool. But definitely the overall product itself feels super nice. It's made out of super durable glass, if you guys can hear. Stainless steel for the top part right here and stainless steel for the bottom part as well. Definitely a really nice handle, really nicely made where actually you can't burn yourself if you guys use it, which is pretty cool. And it definitely has a very nice grip, which is pretty awesome as well. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way for actually find out when it actually works and how well it works is to actually go test it out. So I'm actually go through a quick test of the product first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so here we have the product right here. So what you guys want to do when you guys first use it, probably you guys want to wash this part right here first, but I already washed it already, so I don't need to do it again. So what you guys want to do is turn on the water and just put the water through here, and actually will go down right here. So make sure you guys want to talk about. So you can see the water just went through the hole right here. Try to give you guys a better angle. So just let that fill up to wherever you guys want to go up to. And then once you guys are done, just turn off the water like that. And then shoot back up the top part like that. So now the water's all ready and you guys can go boil it up. So let's go boil it up first. So all we have to do is press this button right here. And you guys can see the indicator light pops up right here. And then you see the little blue light on the bottom. Right there. So this light and that light right here will let you guys know when the product is working. So all we have to do now is wait for it to boil and see how long it takes. Alright, so it took roughly around like 7 to 8 minutes or so to fully boil the water, which is pretty fast. Definitely faster than other electric water kettles that I've tested in the past, which is pretty awesome. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test on the product itself. You guys can see it actually does work and it works quite well. Definitely amazing product overall, works really well, simple to use and everything, one button control, easy to fill. You guys have 2 ways to fill the water if you guys want to as well. I definitely love the big hole in the middle, so it's really easy to clean the inside of the pot itself. But definitely I feel like the main winner for this product is the easy pour option right here, that I can just pour water in instead of like removing the lid or whatever. But one thing that I see an issue for with the lid itself is that even though it's an easy pour for the product itself, like dust or whatever can get on here, so you guys have to make sure it's clean before pouring on here if you guys do use that option. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing on the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys are trying to look for like an electric kettle to boil water, tea, coffee, or whatever. But definitely one of my favorite things is the fact that you guys can actually remove the lid, and this is a really big hole in the middle that you can actually put your hand inside and scrub the inside of the pot, so you guys can clean it much easier than like your other pots that I've tested in the past or other ones that you guys probably seen in the market. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you at the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have